wacky tobacco there.
Oh, you mean someone you know?
Yeah, someone I know used to empty out cigarettes. But now I don't smoke, and they don't let you smoke anywhere anyway, so you can't, use that way. So I don't know any other way to smuggle. I think I used to tape it.
There's some,
tape it inside of your baseball hat.
We used to go.
Truck.
You know, you have that.
We'd go to the. Sorry.
No, finish. Go
When
ahead.
we'd go to the baseball game, and we'd go with girls, and we'd get them to put like, the mini Mick, not the Mickeys, or the ones a little bit smaller.
Not you, somebody you know.
Sorry.
Yeah.
We'd put them under their, like on their neck, and tape them to their neck and under their hair.
Yeah, that's going a long way.
That is. It's a lot of work. So, just some, things to look out for if you're secure.